Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. I am back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you the solution on how you can fix Genshin Impact insufficient storage on your PC. I'll be showing you a different method on how you can fix it if you're unable to download the game data because of the insufficient storage on your device. First of all, you can change the file path. Basically, Genshin Impact allow you to select the installation location manually if you face any trouble such as insufficient storage because of your disk space is smaller than the Genshin Impact size. Then you can change the file size and choose a logical drive that has enough free storage to download the game data. So the solution number 2 is free up disk space. If you don't have any logical drive that has larger space than the Genshin Impact, you can clean up the selected drive to get some free space. And of course, there are many ways to clean up, such as using a disk cleanup tool and deleting personal file or uninstalling some programs that are not required. In order to use cleanup disk, so first thing you need to open up your disk cleanup that is inbuilt in your tool in the Windows, so it will help you to delete your unneeded files. In order to use your disk cleanup, first thing what you need to do is press Windows plus S, and on the search box you need to type in disk cleanup and open it. And after that, a pop-up will appear right in the center. So you need to select the particular drive that you want to free up, and once you're done selecting, click on OK. Next interface, you need to select the items that you want to delete, and if you're sure about deleting all of these information, then click on OK, and you have deleted unneeded and unnecessary file on your drive. And now you can download the game data. In order to delete your unneeded files, what you can do is you can install this application that is Minitool Partition Wizard. So you need to download this application from your web store. After you're done installing it, next you need to click on Space Analyzer, which is right on top. When the scanning process is finished, you can view the file or folder in 3 methods, that is tree view, file view, or folder view. You need to choose according to your preference. And then once you're done selecting it, you need to click on Size option, and the file or the folder will be sorted by size, which will help you to figure out what's taking up your drive. And after that, right click on the file or the folder that you want to remove and then select delete. So that is how you can delete unused file and free up your storage on your device. So those were the method on how you can fix Genshin Impact insufficient storage space on PC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.